You attribute your team's success this year?
We are a family. Our team, everybody look out for each other. You're always going to get a team effort from us. I think that's one of the main things that we have going for us.
Coach, what do you take away from this success? Second time in a row beating the league champions and coming out as Premier League champions.
Truth is, as I say all along, the competition is what it is. If it was a case we were to get the most points, we probably would. But this is not that type of competition. It's a league, then it's a knockout after that. You just need to be good in the knockout. Knockout to play 5 matches, only considered 2 goals. That was good enough.
How much of what you plan to do in this game were you able to execute?
Everything. Mount Pleasant is one of those smooth ball-playing team that knows how to build up from the back, and they get into patterns. We just disrupt the patterns every single chance we get.
How resilient you think was your team throughout the final and throughout the whole knockout series?
It's an understatement. I mean, people used to think we wouldn't even make the top 6, but once we got there, we had a rough passage with Portmore. They were really good. Then we have another rough passage with Arnett Garden. And as you know, the juggernaut, Mount Pleasant, it's always difficult to get the better.
You've been vilified throughout the season. You have been torn down. You went ahead and took action against Mount Pleasant. Now you come out on top. How does that make you feel personally with coming away with the title?
I thought that I was always the nicest person. People could take shots at me and say anything they want, and I wouldn't say nothing. This year I decided I wasn't going to be nice anymore. I only have one aim to win the title for all our fans. And those things help to fuel us, because people were saying, oh yeah, him do that, him can't win. But I mean, I thought we did the right thing all the time, trying to protect the league. And as I said before again, we did it the organic way. With 80% of the players who play for us, they are homegrown by us from they were teenagers, 12, some 11. So I am happy we were able to do it the organic way. This victory is not for us. This victory is for every team out there that don't have the amount of money to pump in the game. Still believe that they can do what Cavalier do and still put up good numbers. So this is not a victory for us. It's for all the youngsters out there and all the other teams that don't have a lot of money.
Was there a particular point in this game that you figured that yes, it was yours?
Look, we won the game a long time and we get a penalty. I mean, we just have to do it twice, but we were prepared for that.
All right, Mr. Speid. So, to all the fans out there are not many, and we've all been villainized as you, saying that we're Cavaliers fans, we're bootlickers. What do you have to say to all the fans that went through all the season with you, stuck by your side through all this?
Yeah, and that is as I said before, that's the reason we have the thing about us. I don't look at it as an achievement for us. I look at it as trying to help, trying to make sure that we don't let down our fans, and that is what is more important to us. That is what is important to the players. So if we have 6 fans or 12 fans, we're very loyal to them and we try our best every time we go on the pitch.
All right, any update on Busy Atkinson? We saw where he was stretched off at the end. Any update on him?
Yeah, he's good. He's breathing freely.
Okay. Is he going to be able to travel tomorrow?
I don't think anybody can stop him.
All right, thanks, Mr. Speid.
Here, so exclusive, please. Watch.
Which button? Which button is this?